friend, thank you that you joined this course, How to Earn $100,000 per year with one video. So it doesn't care if you are a newbie or you have been already in this game for a while. Everybody had this problem to get in this business and get very good success. Probably you don't have a right gear or you don't know how to get the clients. Like everybody has went through this situation. I know that to be a really good videographer slash filmmaker slash video creator, you need a good gear. You need like camera, good PC where to edit, and all the equipment for video filming. It's really expensive. Sometimes you need like years to get the full equipment you need to. So with this course, I will show you the blueprint how you can make $100,000 per year just by one video. I know a few guys who's doing this already, and I also am doing this, and I want just share how you can do the same. I don't say that you will earn 100K in this year, but in long term you can get to the point earning $100,000 per year just doing videos from your laptop, home computer. So keep watching all the course. If you have any kind of questions, just ask me somewhere down below in the comment section. I will try to answer as soon as I can.